Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afton and this is Cooking with Afton, and happy Vlogmas! How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese chicken puff. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious chicken puff, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, please thumbs up the video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. All right. And I also want to ask you guys to please go subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. And all my measurements and ingredients for this Guyanese chicken puff will be in the description box down below. All right, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this quick, simple Guyanese chicken puff video. You can use chicken puff for appetizer or the kids. My kids love this chicken puff, so this is a last minute chicken puff. All right, and guys, let me tell you, it got some good fancy shape. It come out in old way, but it's still chicken puff and it tastes so good. So I'm gonna show you guys everything, so let's get into the ingredients. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my Guyanese chicken puff. So over here I have some chicken mince. Over here I have some grated carrots. I have some frozen sweet corn, all-purpose seasoning. Here I have some onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and fine leaf thyme, and some chili powder. Over here I have my all-purpose flour. Here I have some mayonnaise, mustard and green seasoning, and some eggs. So let's go and fry up our chicken first. Alright guys, so I just put on my pot there. So I'm gonna pour in some coconut oil. So now I'm gonna put in my chicken mince. Cook this until it's done. Now I'm going to flavor my chicken mince. So I'm going to put in some chicken seasoning. And I'm going to pour in the onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, paprika, chili powder. And mix it up. I'm also going to pour in my green seasoning and my mustard hot sauce. Give that a mix as well. I'm just going to cook this until all the chicken is fried, alright? Now I'm going to pour in my carrots, my grated carrots now. You can cook with the chicken. And my corn is frozen, so I'm just gonna put it in here because it's frozen. Just to get a little soft, so I'm just gonna put it in here. So my chicken mince is finished frying up here. It's all done now, so I'm going to let it cool off. I'm going to pour it open here and let it cool down. Let me turn off my stove. So I'm going to go and wash this pot now, and I'll show you guys how to make the chicken puff now. Alright guys, so we're going to be making our puff now. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour some water into my pot. Then I'm going to pour in my butter and let it melt into the water. Then I'm going to put in some salt and some sugar. And stir it, give it a stir until the butter is all melted. We'll be back. Alright guys, so my butter is come to a boil. You have to let it boil until it starts bubbling up a little bit. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now, this is my flour here. I'm gonna pour in my flour and you're gonna stir, stir, stir. It's better if you use a wooden spoon, guys. Alright, you're gonna keep on stirring it on low heat. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna keep on stirring it and I'm gonna turn off my stove. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off my stove and keep on stirring it. Right, just like this. Stir, 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 guys. Just keep on stirring for maybe about 2 minutes or so. Right. Stir, stir, stir. Perfect. So let me show you guys the next step now. So guys, this is my empty bowl here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the mixture, the flour mixture, into this bowl here. Just like this. So what I'm gonna do now, if you have a mixer, you can use the mixer. I'm gonna take the mixer and mix it up a little bit to cool down the heat. Just like this is gonna cool it down. So it's cooled down a little bit. So what I'm gonna do now, I have some egg here. I'm gonna pour in my eggs one at a time and give it a mix. Pour in the other one now. Pour in the third one now. Keep on mixing. Put in my fourth egg now. Mix it all together. We'll be back. Now guys, I'm going to put the mixture into this, what do you call it, utensil. Put in the bottom here. Move the mixture aside. I have a pan here. I just put some parchment paper. I already have on my stove at 400 degrees. I have it on very high. So I'm gonna pour this mixture now into the pan here. That one is a small one. I'm gonna put some more mixture into this stuff again. There it goes. Oops. Alright, I'll do the rest off camera and put this in the oven to bake for about half an hour and we'll be back. Alright guys, so this is just chicken mince here. So the puff, while the puff is baking, I'm going to mix in my sweet pepper. Just Just mix it in all over. And then I'm going to put in my mayonnaise. Give it a stir. Okay, you're gonna need some more mayonnaise. Let me just squeeze out the last of it here. Perfect. You're mixing all the mayonnaise inside. So when the puff finishes baking, I'll cut it in half and I'll put the mixture inside. So we'll be back. Alright guys, so the puff is all finished here. It baked real nice, so I'm gonna lose them apart now. Alright guys, so I just took them off of the parchment papers. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you how you could either cut it or you could take it with your hands. I'm just gonna cut here to show you guys, and you'll see how hollow it is inside. This one burned a little bit. So I'm gonna cut another one again to show you cut. So what I'm gonna do now, this mixture that I mixed earlier with the chicken and the mayonnaise, I'm gonna put it inside of the puff. So here goes guys. I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna put the chicken mixture inside of the puff. Just like this. Put some more. Perfect. This is how the puff is looking. I'm gonna put some more in the other one. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I'll show you guys the end results. I'll show you guys the end result. Alright guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese chicken puff. Let me just show you guys how it's looking inside here, full of the chicken and the mayonnaise. It is so good. So I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe and give this recipe a try. This can use for your kids. My kids love them. Also, you can make them for a party appetizer. Okay, I'm gonna taste this on camera and let you guys see. We'll be back. Hey guys, so this is the end results from my Guyanese chicken puff. I don't even know if you guys can see it properly because now it's nighttime. So, I want to tell you guys something. I know you guys must say, girl, you're a game, but I decided yesterday that I'm going to just buy, you remember it's Christmas time coming up, right? And I have to make so much delicious Christmas recipe for you guys, and it's so tempting to making these dish and not eating them, you know, or taking a little bite and tasting them. I wish I'm not supposed to do that. So what I decided to do is I'm gonna stop the keto for the holiday and start it back on January. So I'll be fully committed and I wouldn't have any temptation because I wouldn't be making all these fancy things in January. Alright guys, so I decided to just stop it for now until January because I have so much stuff to make, so much delicious tasty stuff, all different type of cake I have to make. So it's gonna be so hard to me not to teeth a little piece. So instead I put myself through the torture, I'm just going to ease off the keto for till the ending of the month and start back from January. All right, sorry if I disappoint any of you guys, but I did lose 10 pounds so far, and it's so good. I know by the time of Christmas I can put that back all 10, but I know I'm gonna dedicate this back. I'm gonna be dedicated from January. So I'm gonna taste my chicken puff on camera and let you guys see. So let me, I don't know if you guys can see it. So the chicken mixture is in here. So here you go, guys. Wow, this is good. I even know when last I had flour. It's been a while. Chicken pop is so good. The shape is not 100, but it is delicious. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this Guyanese chicken pop video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, and also all my measurements, ingredients will be in the description box down below. Alright, take care and see you tomorrow in the next Vlogmas. Bye guys.